So we got tons of grasses and plants in the bottom. Got him a nice big water dish there. Bunch of sticks and things to climb on. With a very nice background. And the demon lizard himself, who does not like me at all. But, yep. Herman's finished product, and I have some terracotta pots that I put a couple of grasses in just to raise them off the ground, give them some more cover. I should probably clean the glass. But there's another terracotta pot back there. There's one. That's the only two I have in there. But yeah, pretty nice.